Hello, dear aspirants. Welcome to Guidely. This is the session for those who are going for LIC AAO exam, and this is specifically for email writing. We all know in the new pattern, LIC is going with the FPI's pattern, where it has clearly mentioned that there will be email, report, situation analysis, and tracing. So your preparation should be like this only. So let's talk about the email writing. What are the important things that you need to plan for email writing and how you can write a perfect email easily in your examination? So the best part of email writing is that it is always with a fixed format. See, earlier you used to get essays and letter, and like many of like teachers, even most of the teachers always recommend you that go with the formal letter because of the fixed format and fixed way. And it was very easy to score good marks with the formal letter. Similarly, when I talk about email, this is the best part that there is a fixed format when you send an email to anyone. You write the email address, then you write a subject, then you write salutation like good afternoon, I hope you are doing well. You write dear sir, madam, or you write name, or you write dear manager, like that, right? And then at the end you write warm regards, or sometimes you say yours sincerely or faithfully. So this is something that you all know about. So let's know the basic and very important details. We cannot leave anything, right? This is the qualifying nature exam, but still, why to take risk when we know that something will definitely be there? We need to be ready for that. So here we go. And the first thing is structure and tone of professional emails. See, here we have nothing informal. So it is going to be absolutely formal. Professional emails are formal, and these are structured messages or kind of communication. This is used in business and corporate environments. Like Unlike casual emails, they follow a specific format and tone to ensure clarity, respect, and effective communication. The main purpose is to communicate clearly and effectively in formal settings. See, if I want to give a task to someone, I call that person, I try to explain, but that is an oral communication. Oral communication means simply there is nothing in the records, but it is always important to maintain record. For that, this is one of the best methods. You need to understand that when you are writing an email, your language, your tone should always be polite and formal because it is a medium of record. So remember, it must be accurate, concise, and definitely polite. Okay, so what kind of emails you can expect in your exam? You can expect customer communication, means there is a person who is having some queries about policy insurance, about premium due dates, about maturity claims, or maybe nomination updates, or maybe settlement of claims. It can be related to internal communication. If you are sharing some reports, some important information to your colleagues, maybe some invitation of any inside event, it can be related to policy announcements and updates. For example, you must see some emails or some messages from your bank when they update you about everything, like when there is maintenance work is going on and the portal will be closed, you can't use internet banking. And then there is an option of complaint and inquiry handling as well, where people write their problems, their complaints, and you give response to them. So most of the emails, like whatever you are going to get, will has to be one of these. Okay, let's know more about it. So everyone, just a second. Yeah. Yeah. So request or invitation emails, when you invite someone, you request something, apology, thank you or appreciation emails, and job related communication. These are general professional emails. So please get ready if you get something like from these. Okay, let's talk about the structure now. First is the subject line. If you are writing the email to the regional manager, then it should be like regional manager at the rate lic.co.in or .com. You will have that, right? So then it comes the subject line. Now, what is the meaning of subject here? What should be the length of my subject? Then it has to be very precise. You can't structure a proper sentence here, but you have to make a proper subject so that one can get the idea, okay, so this kind of content I can expect, this type of thing or query or update information is there in the email. So this is the first thing the recipient sees. So it should be very clear and very precise. It should summarize the purpose of the email in 5 to 8 words. Avoid vague words like important information regarding your policy. Instead, be specific. Okay. Example, formal way, inquiry about policy renewal status. Informal ways, need details about my policy. What kind of details you need? Do you have the idea with these words? Not at all. Okay. Second thing is salutation. Salutation is if there is, a person that you know the name, like you write dear Rahul. If it is a policy holder, dear policy holder, dear sir or madam. See, everyone, we never say this ma'am or beta. We never use this ma'am as well. Though this is an abbreviation. ये तो grammatically गलत है. We always go with the full form that is called madam. Dear branch manager. Informal is hi Ramesh or hello Rahul. Okay. Done. Now let's come to the major part of the email. That is the main content, means the body of our email. Now it must have an opening line. Why are you writing this email? For example, I am writing to inform you about the renewal of your life insurance policy due next month. And then the main content gives some details about it. Example, please find attached the updated premium schedule for your policy number 12345. So, in the body of your email, we need to understand that this is the main content of our email. It should be very organized, concise, and to the point. So, make short paragraphs for this, 2 to 3 sentences per paragraph only. Start with the most important information first, then provide supporting details. Don't say that my account number is this and then this branch and I am writing to get the information about this. No. First, I'm writing to get the information about my policy and this is my policy detail. Okay. And please maintain a formal and respectful tone throughout your writing. Example structure number 1. Paragraph number 1, state the main purpose or issue. Paragraph number 2, provide details or explanations. And paragraph number 3 is optional when you mention any required actions or next steps. Okay, so complimentary closing and signature. You have written the matter, it's clear, understandable, and now it's turn to close it properly. So when you close it, what are the things that you need here, right? First of all, this is the ending part of your email. So if you write something off here, it is going to give a very kind of, I should say like bad impression. And if it is AI evaluation, then remember AI mostly checks the format. AI का क्या काम रहता है? AI का काम रहता है बेटा format को check करने का. And format के marks AI अलग से देता है. So take care of the fixed format. It is essential for you that you keep here a perfect ending to, you write here a perfect ending to your email. So it should be again polite, professional and respectful. What kind of words you choose? You can write yours faithfully, but you can't say cheers, not at all. Cheers is informal. Yours sincerely is very professional. You can't write, okay, like you are writing to a customer and then you say at the end, take care. No, this is absolutely wrong here, rather say regards, best regards, or warm regards. And then signature section include your name, the name which is mentioned in the question prompt, not your actual name, designation, and organization if applicable. So yours sincerely, you are writing this email to the zonal head and you have written the content above and now you are closing it. So yours sincerely, Riya Sharma, Assistant Administrative Officer, Life Insurance Corporation of India, like this. Let's see a full example of a perfect email of LIC related example. Okay, so this email is about reminder for renewal of your life insurance policy. आराम से read करते हैं. So I hope this message finds you well. This is how you started with the salutation. Dear Mr. Sharma, never forget to use this comma here, guys. Punctuation has a vital role to play. It shows how what is your knowledge for the language. So take care of this thing, right? So it is, I hope this message finds you well. This is to inform you that your life insurance policy, then policy number this, is due for renewal on 15th November 2025. To ensure continued benefits and avoid policy lapse, we request you to make the premium payment before the due date. You can conveniently pay the premium through the LIC website, mobile app, or by visiting your nearest LIC branch. If you have already made the payment, please disregard this message. See, you can see the word please, you can see the word like conveniently, and then you will see the best and the polite closing. For any assistance regarding this renewal process, feel free to contact us at customercare@licindia.in or call us our helpline at 0223344556, like that, right? Obviously, it's not, easy to remember the actual number of LICs toll free, right? So you can put any, like made up number there, will work definitely. Yours sincerely, Riya Sharma, Assistant Administrative Officer, Life Insurance Corporation of India. So this is how a professional email should look like. I hope now you got it अच्छे से, बढ़िया से. So if you have any queries, any questions, you can ask. But remember, like there are just a few things that are, that you should keep in your mind. It has to be formal. Always do the rough planning, right? Make the rough notes before writing the main one. And, like this is going to take your like 5 to 8 words. So get the idea of the word limit. Like this is 6 to 7 words हमने ले लिया. So like 7 words we are using here. Then we are using three words here. So this is now 10 words. Then you come for this part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Around 12 you used here. So if I take a rough idea, 25 words you are using because you have to use them. And then you have your main content. If your word limit is 125 and you are having 25 words already, so remember you are left with 100 words. So you plan it out carefully, like logically, be very rational here that what should be the main content of your body. Okay, the purpose is you are informing here. The details, these are the details. And then what you want them to do, you want this from them to do. And then the polite closing. And then this is the way you end it. So this is how you are going to write an amazing email that will surely give you the best marks, right everyone? So I hope this session helps you. If you are looking for the mock test series, then Guidely has brought LIC mock test series for you. This is of qualifying nature, but still why to take any risk? So go to Guidely's website or application and get that mock test series, and please go with the mock test. See, like whenever you go out, you see in the mirror how you are looking. Similarly, mock tests, exam before exam, is your mirror to check how your preparation is, right? Take care, everyone. See you all.